point na 3 points they will get. 3, 4, 5.
Upon the
Four,
score.
5.
Yes.
So double letter triple letter. The double letter na 1, 2, 3, 4 அப்படி.
எப்போ செய்வீங்க இந்த
activity.
I mean,
Usually in the literary club period they play, and sometimes some smart children alla English finish பண்ணியாச்சுல they play.
Super.
இது வந்து இப்போ they have made seventh children also made இல்ல. You made this, no? இந்த மாதிரி they have also made. And Deepshika, bring your game. அவங்க கூட they have made some games and all. Bring it, ma'am. You tell ma'am what you made.
Ma'am, in 8 to 9 in daily life, what we are doing, we need to tell by 3 points, ma'am. We are increasing by points and timing also.
இது வந்து எப்படி காயின்ஸ்லாம் எதுவும் இல்லையா?
No, ma'am. In this we have points.
You have a
And this is a frame and English sentence. This is a frame and English sentence, ma'am. I write words and ma'am, we shuffle it. I just have a minute for a frame and three sentence, ma'am. Like this, ma'am, you want to frame
Put
sentence.
all the words here.
Okay.
Then
அப்படி
In 1 minute, we need to search and read it. Yes, ma'am.
ஓ
Ma'am, I love myself like this. Like this, we want
இந்த
to
மாதிரி நம்ம
frame it. I am
Frame a sentence.
I am a pretty girl இந்த மாதிரி கொடுக்கலாம்.
I am a girl. I am a girl.
I am a girl.
I am studying in English medium.
Studying.
I am a girl.
I am
Studying. I am
studying in English medium.
எல்லாருமே இந்த மாதிரி மேக் பண்ணி ஒரு கிரியேட்டிவாக கொண்டு வரும். சூப்பர்.